In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Brother MFC-L2820DW in case you're having troubles with it. The first thing I always suggest, and it's the easiest thing you can do, is to simply disconnect the printer from its power source. So if we go on the other side here, simply unplug the power cable, wait 2 minutes, and then plug it back. Usually this will fix 90% of the issues. If you're still having the same problem, let's go to the second option. And this would be to do a reset. You can do a factory reset, which will erase everything. The printer will be like brand new, or you can do a reset of certain features. So how is it done? Well, we need to go on the screen over here. Let me show you. What we need to do next is to press this setting icon right over here between the Wi-Fi and the toner cartridge icon. Once you're over here, you're going to click on all settings, go down, tap on initial setup, then go down again until you see reset. Click on reset, and now we have multiple choices. You can do a factory reset, which will reset all the different features. To do that, you go down and there's factory reset. You press once and press OK to confirm. But if we go back, okay, if you don't want to reset everything, you can simply reset the Wi-Fi by clicking network reset. Or if you want to reset only the address book and fax settings, or you have multiple choices in case you don't want to wipe out everything. But overall, this is it. Once you do this, usually it takes around 30 seconds and everything will be good to go afterwards. You will start fresh the same way the printer was once you have unboxed it. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you have other tips on how to fix your Brother printer, leave them down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.